First things first, just look at this beauty. The sleek stainless steel design not only looks great in any kitchen, but is also durable and easy to clean. The extra-wide interior is a game changer. It fits a 9 by 13-inch pan. That means whether you're making dinner for the family or prepping snacks for game night, this toaster oven has got you covered. With its convection technology, this toaster oven ensures even heating for perfect results every time. It's versatile too. Use it to bake, toast, broil, or simply keep your food warm until everyone's ready to eat. Check this out. Crispy golden toast and a perfectly baked pizza. It's fast, efficient, and oh so convenient. No need to heat up your full-sized oven for small meals. Operating it is super simple with these intuitive controls. You can easily set the temperature, timer, and cooking function. Plus, it even has a 60-minute timer with a stay-on function for longer baking tasks. Ready to take your cooking to the next level? Click the link in the description below to grab your very own black+Decker 8-slice extra-wide convection toaster oven. Thanks for hanging out with me today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what you'd love to cook with this toaster oven. See you next time.